Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you a free AI coding setup, and here you will get free access to all of the premium models like GPT-4O and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It is completely free, you will get access. Now for that, we'll use this Roo Cline extension in VS Code. This is an extension that is better than Cline because it has some extra features, like if I show you, you will get access to this code, architect and ask. So for that, just go to your VS Code and just go to your extension marketplace, and here search for Roo Cline, install this extension. After that, on the left hand side, you will find this type of icon. This is the Roo Cline icon. Okay. Now what you will see that this is the interface, and here you see that on the left hand side there is a drop down. Just follow my cursor. There is a drop down and there is a three option: code, architect and ask. Okay, so now if I select code, then you can generate the code by asking the prompt. Now if I select architect, then it will give you the architecture of your website. Now if I select ask, then you will able to do the simple communication, means the simple chat. That is also mentioned in their official website. Okay, now the thing is that to use this premium model for free, you have to go to this VS Code extension Roo Cline. Okay, and now here you see that there's a settings option. Just click on the settings, follow my cursor, and after that here you see that configuration that you have to do. So configuration profile, select it as a default. After that, here is a API provider. So just select this API provider, this VS Code LM API. Why? Because on their official website they have mentioned this thing. Here you see experimental support for VS Code language model including Copilot. Okay. Now after you select this VS Code LM API, here there is a option for the language model. Now here you will get all of the language models like GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4O, GPT-4O Mini and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. All of the models are free. You can choose any of the model. Now as Claude is the best, so I am selecting this Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and here you see that they have mentioned this is a very experimental integration and may not work as expected. Please report any issues to the Roo Cline GitHub repository. So that means that as they have integrated this new, so if you face any issue, then just do a report. But as I have used many times, I have not seen any issue. So that's why I am recommending this setup to you. Okay. Now click on this done. Okay. Now we will generate a app. Okay. Now for this, here you see that I will select this architect. Okay, why architect? Because before generating the app, we need the proper architecture. Only then it will be able to generate the code. Okay, so just select this architect, and after that, just give a prompt. So I will give a prompt that I want to build a habit tracker app. Habit tracker app. So help me. Okay. Now press enter. So now see that it has given me the architecture like to build the habit tracker app. We can start by outlining the key feature and structure of the application, and it has given me the features like if I zoom it little bit, here you see that user authentication and adding, editing, deleting habits, all of the features that is required they have mentioned, and the technology stack also they have mentioned that these are the technology that we can use. Okay, now I will ask it that to write the code in this React. Now for that, here you see that they are recommending please switch to code mode so that we can create the initial project structure for the habit tracker app. Okay, and now I will switch to code mode. Okay, so now I will ask it write the code in React. Okay, React.js. Now press enter. Now you see that it is doing the API request and it will give you the code. Okay, so here you see that it is using the npx create react app, and after that here you see that it is asking to run the command. Now if I click on this run the command, it will make the repository and it will do all of the things. So I hope you got the point that how to use this, and if you want to change your model then you can do that by go to the settings, and here you can choose this API provider and this VS Code LM API, and choose your model like GPT-4O, GPT-4O Mini, GPT-4 3. Turbo. Sometimes it may happens that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is not working. In that case, you can switch to other model like GPT-4 Turbo or GPT-4O. Okay, as it is an experimental feature, so in that case, it may be happen that sometimes it is not working. In that case, please switch the model. Okay, and all of the models here, you see, all of this model have the capability to generate the best code. Okay. Now the thing is that you have to remember one thing. If you go to this Copilot official page, here you see that for the free plan they have this 50 chat requests per month. So you will be able to do this only for the 50 chat requests. And if you want to switch to Pro, then in that case you have to pay the $10, and in that case it will be unlimited access to the Copilot that they have mentioned. And also it is a very popular model, because if you go for the Cursor or Windsurf, in that case the pricing is $20 and $15. So for this Copilot you will get access to all of the premium model for this $10 only. So I hope you got the point that why this is the best coding setup. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And till then, watch the other videos also that is published in our channel.